You wanna pinky when? You wanna pinky when? You wanna pinky when? When I see you. When I see you. When I see you, wanna pinky. Yes, sir.
Wanna pinky when? Ask you wanna pinky when? Yeah, you wanna pinky when? Washa pinky when? Wewe you wanna pinky? Ngatsho ingoma yami. Ngicela itshontshe mapiano ingoma yami ngizonifaka small claims Scott. Ngizonifaka small claims. Unsuwa. Angidlali ke. Guys afford yes. Cha afford ngempela. Asimakuthiwa abantu bayadlala. Yo. Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you all are going to come across this channel, man. Yay. Leave it wrong. Hey. Nina. And I don't even exist. Whether in this whole thing, in a sense, now these are, it's like, you know when they say these are rich people problems? Let's just install and we are looking at, you know, when in Ghana, or when you are arguing with, let's say you are arguing with an adult and then excuse me, hey, you guys got to be looking up like this in Pegaso. You know, I saw this, I did watch this episode where on Lassiz's channel, where Ulasis was being interviewed, where they played this game where they'll invite different people, celebrities, influencers, Ganjalo, and then they are going to be asking them questions, not really hard or tough questions, but toughish questions. Yeah, and then they have to answer the question, and if they cannot answer the question, they have to drink some concoction that has they have made and all of that. So now Umunaka asked Lentuzana Ulasizwe ukuthi ubani umphathi we-YouTube. That's why ngithi mina yo yazla, and after hearing a video clip kaKohlubi, I'm even like, yo, you know what? Let me just show you this and then we'll talk.
Kohlubi and yourself, who's the king of YouTube?
Oh gosh, why would you?
Why would they even ask you? Like, team? Is it that obvious?
Oh wow! Oh wow! I like that.
No, I like that. Guys.
For me, okay, let me sit with my chest.
Yes.
I've been doing YouTube for a very long time. I started this thing when no one was doing it, and then they saw, oh, okay, cool, we can make an income or a living out of it.
Yes.
So, yeah, and we're still here, we're still back again at the top, doing what we're doing what we love, and improving. We're not shooting on cell phones here.
So guys, how you saying you're the king? You didn't answer. You just gave us the whole.
Yeah.
So,
I created that chair.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Period. And I'm hearing it.
No,
but you are, dude. I love your content.
Now let's actually shoot shots at him on my own show now, just because I said no, bro. I'm holding your hands real tight to you when I say this. You are not him. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna need you guys to balance me real quick. I'm gonna need you guys to balance me. This guy has the audacity to say that he's the king of YouTube and to shoot jabs at me and say that I shoot on my phone, and we don't shoot on our phones here, darling. Right? We don't shoot on our phones here, darling. Bro, at least I don't need a whole lot of collabs to make my channel run. I don't need, like, I got my team and that's it, and we're on go. I'm not saying I don't do collabs, but literally your channel is full of other people's motion and none of yours. Do you understand that? Like, does that clock to you? Does that clock to you? That your channel is literally just a whole lot of people and a whole lot of collabs. That's what made your channel. That's what got you to 1 million subscribers. Who got me to 1 million subscribers? Me. I got me to 1 million subscribers. Me and my close circle, either my girlfriend or my friends, just me.
Wonder. So that's the whole thing that started all of this, if I'm not mistaken. But actually, not this video. It gets into Zana ink. Of course, because it goes to furious. Goes to furious over what Ulasizwe did, and with what he, according to him, what he is saying started this whole thing was the fact that he once, yes, Ugoslubi has once been on awkward dates with Ulasizwe, and then Ulasizwe futhi ngathi apparently, because that's what Ghost said, do make sure that you go on his channel and you check out this the clip that you saw of him venting or ranting. That's the video that he said everything ukuthi, where he spoke about everything ukuthi yinto eqale all of this, and yeah. So now Shuti Ulasizwe invited to Ghost to come on his show, and then the second time, I think that's the concoction one, and then Ghost was like, no, he's not going to be able to come. So now Ghost feels like Ulasizwe is pressed or waporwa iloko yokuthi Ghost said no. So now that's why Ulasizwe is kind of like taking jabs at him and all of that. So Ghost had said a lot of things ukuthi ya naye akabhadalwanga on awkward dates. I mean, I thought they were getting paid, but angazi bavumelana ngani lena ke I just enjoy awkward dates. I don't want to lie to you. Even this concoction drink or tell the truth, I also enjoy. Is it that the name of the show? I hope that's the name of the show. Yeah, I enjoy that show. Both those shows, Ulasizwe. I consume Ulasizwe's some of Ulasizwe's content, like both these two shows I watch. The other ones, it's just not for me. Yeah, but either way, Ugoslubi angazi nje. I'm not a fan. Yeah, even though I'm not a fan, it's just like my shows are Gela, these two that angazayo, you understand. I think enye the Ugoslubi mentioned something ukuthi Ulasizwe umano yasho ukuthi yena last sisebenzisa camera and we do not use a phone, and then Ugoslubi is like, so why uzozama ukuthrow shade ngale usho njalo uzama ukuthrow shade, whereas as much as kuyikushootha ngecamera mina ngishootha ngefone, but we are on the same views, we have the same amount of views, or not necessarily the same, but I'm also on 1 million. And I took the liberty of having to check ukuthi ama views ame kanjani. Okay, this is Ugoslubi. And this is Umkhonzi Ulasizwe. So even going back to the question ukuthi abuzwe abuzwe uMnaka ukuthi who is the king of YouTube, and Ulasizwe said it was him. They say numbers don't lie, hey? Yeah, numbers do not lie. Another thing I do also kind of feel Ugoslubi mayethi Ulasizwe must not try and compare himself to him, because Ulasizwe he got to where he is by working with a lot of people, and he did it by himself, you understand. I don't want to lie to you, that's one of I do feel like it is truish, because for me to even be attracted to or be drawn to subscribing to Ulasizwe's show was ukuthi ngizobona different celebrities that I liked and all of that, and then I ended up tuning in and ended up being like, oh, I can't wait for the next one, and etc. I understand. But if it was just Ulasizwe alone, I'm talking about me. There are people who love Ulasizwe and Jeyeto as an individual, but I'm talking about me, you understand. So yeah, Makanjalo, I do feel like that is true. Ulasizo right. Yazi ifana nenani. Fana ne khona ama juice lawa ofawa dilute kuze bemnandi. Cause my ngekho mongayidayusanga ayibi mnandi ivele besweet kakhulu be too much. Bese uma edamanzi yadiluteka kahle bese bamnandi. Ulasizo for me is like that. May one right. May nabantu umnandi ngekhona ukumwatch. Even without ulona ulungile mina when he starts making these yes, he's saying that he's not homophobic and all of that, but even with his awkward date with Khaya Dladla, I honestly do not like that one, because I felt like he was rude. I don't want to lie to you. I felt like he was rude. At first, I used to kind of like him, but Gogunye, I ended up, no, this guy, you know, he can't even play along. Lapancho, he was just rude, not, you know, because in a way, I did kind of feel like Guti. Body shamer ukhaya, because he was talking about when ngathi ubamba inkunzi wena yazi mangaba iphara ufanele uba good. In other words, basically I feel like ngathi uthi mobi unobuzo besigibeni. You understand? And I do not think or believe there's anyone who would want to say that. Interview should be wrong. For especially once Lungile finds out that you are gay and you're going to be on a date with him, I do not even understand why Ulasizo even pairs him up with gay or anyone who's in the LGBT, who's a male, who's in the LGBT. Let me just put it at that. Why does he still pair him up with Ulungile? Because Ulungile, you understand? So. And even most of our dates are manje after that Khaya thing. I angisabuki mina ngiyaboreka even when he's with a girl usiyangibhora nje kahle. Yeah, but kukuthi nje yeah. And then now with Koslu, we're having to scream and shout and yada yada. You watch like is worth more than Lenviam Buena. Should man tell me that I'm going to die salin? Slap on us dicing the bank. Getting a dice illegally. Getting a dice. I guess figure okay, I'm coming to New York. Business of Massey Fang Boy. Yo, Bang Fang Bang was where and say, best so yes, boy. But my sister Paris, yo, a Paris and Clan best so ya. Got a vex of funnel would sing at. So I think good living over. Angesakon would speak. The master's boy. Fair leg a lapos of Flan's maletics. Because I equal enough. When yo, Eddie, I'm for my about the line lay phone. You didn't shoot on the phone. Yo, I'm guys as a yo. Fanus for saying us guys so tell Mangoti being Layla and Petin. Person don't didn't lion. But I'm seeing that I do not see the need of seeing though. And to make things worse, Ulas commented on the video goes through beg out it. Uthi unesuvukile ayivuke ngempela awu na umsindo ndoda hayi kahle yazi kokunye yeah we do react to certain things ngendlela engafani but nane emotional intelligence nje bafethu I feel like kokunye ibalekile kubalekile yazi guys yes we use this as an excuse to we reacting ngendlela engafani. You cannot do this game and then expect me to retaliate ngendlela ethile ngizoyenza ngendlela ngifukwenza but to even get to an extent yokuthi aza aphule isturu futhi lesturu lesi very very cheap why bengaphuli into edurayo phela ugohlubi uyabhoba. And one thing I also do not understand about people who abanemali or who look like banemali or who say banemali, because when he spoke about the watch he is alluding to which, you know, he makes a lot of money, you understand, of which he also mentioned to Dominic, but we're going to get to that. Why I'm a background like a background I feel like mina lezi ndlu zabo zimbi nje mphakathi in the sense ukuthi they don't add ama accessories to decorate. Yebo mina le yami le yes ngaye eNew York sibuyi and then eParis singa struggle singenzeke futhi sesobuya ngetaxi but cute cha cute ke phakathi why bengashuni okay if ungakwazi ukushuna okunye uphinde ukuthi oh yazi abanye abantu nabo baphinde befocus kwezinye izinto as much as naye gohlo bethu uLasizwe is focusing on the wrong things naye akashuni indlu yazi okay probably inhle phakathi but hey from le background lava hey nina guys singaboyenza kanje qhashani abo who's this guy wakwanqumalo there's a designer wakwanqumalo an interior designer. There used to be that show back then, Emma Designers. I think it was on SABC 3 or 1. I don't think 1. SABC 1 is broke. It must be SABC 3. La call a show of interior designers where they had to compete and all of that. I forgot his full name, but he's an interior. Why benga cash bona beba shuneli izindlu guys kube cute. Even ama YouTubers amanyase America utma umbheka umuntu yes this guy is making a lot of money and staying in a beautiful house but manje uyabheka phakathi akukuphi akushunwanga akho lutho and toxic yenza nje. And then he mentioned something about Dominic. Remember when Dominic was okay, this is what Dominic said.
Money. And I'm not talking about thousands of rands. I'm not talking about 10,000 rand. I'm not talking about 20,000 rand. I'm talking about money. I'm talking about money. I'm talking about those people probably went and are able to afford cars with my name. Let's not count ad revenue. Let's not count ad revenue. Every advert that was placed when my episode was playing was also money. On average, an advert on TV that costs about 30 seconds, it starts from R1 million. So let's say Telkom put an advert while my episode was playing. That's 1 million rand that went in. There's about 4 adverts that play during an episode of something. So let's say 4 million rand minimum was made with my name. Minimum. Let's forget.
Yeah. And then Ugoslobi said Dominic did not get paid. Dominic G7 uTlasizwe akampataranga. So no today ufuna scave some coin. Scave some coin, bro. You understand? Naye akabhatalwanga. Yeah. Utando also said uLasizwe did not pay me enough. Don't you guys agree to something? Nibhale phansi kube khona contract la nisho ukuthi okay you're going to pay me this and then wena sekuba kuwe umuntu akunika contract ethi wena ngizokubhadala ilona this much and ngifuna ungenzela ukuthi nokuthi don't you get to agreement ukuthi mina ngifuna lokho awuyithi xaxa or something anenzi kanjalo or nenza kanjani I do not know. You understand? Because if you remember, Thando was also on a Drink or Tell the Truth, also awkward dates, but we Drink or Tell the Truth. I think when he's talking about indaba ukuthi Lasizwe do not pay me enough, it was for a Drink or Tell the Truth, because it seems like awkward dates nobody gets paid besides Lasizwe. So yeah, but tell what you think about this whole thing down below. And guys, ngicela nazi ku 1000 nami ngizokwazi ukukhuluma scrap ngitshela scrap yo this is some beef. Asikwazi this beef phela manje I want to exist but guys, yeah man, thank you very much for the support, Buffett. I don't want to lie. I hope you'll stay blessed, Buffett. Sure.